Hi everyone, I'm Ashrith Edukulla, and in this video we're going to see how to qualify AMC, and I'm also going to tell you other strategies and how I qualified AMC especially, and books, resources, other material, other examinations like AMC which will help you to qualify AMC. So let's get going. So most of the people who are watching this video, they might be thinking, who is this guy and what is the proof did I actually qualify AMC? So here's just a small little proof. So AMC 10B 2021 result and my answers. So I got 16 out of 25 right, and I got scored 96, and the cutoff was exactly 96. So my preparation was just enough for me to get into AIME. So I think I would be the right guy for this video because I just made into AIME and AMI qualified. That's kind of a bit typo. It's like AIME qualified, so I can show you the certificate. So certificate of distinction is awarded to me. So I hate you if you copy my certificate. Yeah, and never mind. I was just kidding. So so this is a kind of a bit proof for people. So let's talk about how I started my AMC preparation. So I started my AMC preparations in June, July. So what I'm saying, I'm just going to write here for convenience. So my handwriting is a bit bad, just ignore it. So it's like June, July, or you can just think July. So what I had July, so I'm just going to write July, August, August, September, September, and October, uh, October. So you you're not gonna think about November because I don't think anyone would actually think about making a plan in November. They should finish the plan by October, and what they do is just previous year AMC in November, whatever time they have, or the last 2 3 days. People usually take rest so that they have a clear mind. Not 2 3 days, maybe last 2 days. So I started in July. So I'm from India. So in India we have the Indian Mathematical Olympiad. So according to the Indian Mathematical Olympiad, I started my preparation relevant to the Indian Mathematical Olympiad. So the Indian Mathematical Olympiad is the toughness level is same as AMC, and the paper pattern is like AIME. So I started my preparation according to that. So in July, so the Indian Mathematical Olympiad hasn't been kept yet. It isn't done yet. So for people who are just curious to know, so July, August. So in July, I started my theory. I started theory. So this is how I started. I'm going to tell how I started, and I would even make a plan for you guys. So how I started. So I started with n number theory. I finished the whole theory and number theory in 15 days, and next 15 days for algebra 15 days. So in 1 month I was able to finish full algebra and number theory. So what I would suggest is, uh, if you're starting a bit late, like from July, you're going to spend at least 1.5 hours per day if you want to qualify AIME easily, and if you want to make it to USAMO, so you got to have some score like 120, 130. So you should start a bit early, not like me. And so NT 15 days, algebra 15 days, then August. Then I would say combinatorics first, combinatorics 10 days, and then geometry 20 days. So either what you can do is you can read from books, or you can take some course and finish the syllabus. So I'm going to tell you what all courses are good and what all books. And then September, from September, I was I when I was doing my preparation, I had a couple of things on me like robotics, other Olympiads, physics Olympiad, chemistry Olympiad, the school shuffling. There's like so many things. So I finished my syllabus. So I was still finishing my syllabus in September, and I was even doing my syllabus in October too. I finished my syllabus at on October 20th. So I had more 20 days for AMC. So I took out 10 papers, 10 papers, AMC 2016 to 2021. I kind of solved each, I solved it like a mock test. So I gave all a mock test. So in the in the mock test, I was getting around 114, 120. I got even 132. But remember. So we're gonna get higher in mock test because of the environment you have in your home. You're gonna have a good environment and a comfortable environment according to you. But when you're writing EMC, you're gonna have a bit of stress, a bit of tension, and others. So your score is at least gonna decrease by 20 marks compared to your mock test. So if you're willing to qualify AMC, so if the cutoff is 96, then aim for 116. That's according to me what I think. And in AMC papers are really different. According to the Indian math, they have a bit tricky questions. Normally in AMC, so there's a question, there's one question. There are five correct ways to solve it, and five wrong ways to solve it too. So these five wrong ways gives you four different answers or five different answers like option A, B, C, D, E, and this gives you the option F. So there's a high probability of you going through the wrong way also, and you'll end up finding the option. So when you end up finding the option, you will be like, oh, I think I found the option, so this is probably right. So you're wrong. So that's exactly what happened to me in AMC. So let me show you what happened. So question number 7, I remember solving every question up to question number 19, and I solved these two also. I don't know, but I ended up finding some mistakes. So question number 7, 9, I think I am 17, 18, 19, 20, and 23, 25. I remember myself solving it and finding the option, but unluckily I got it wrong. So it's a huge probability of you making a very silly mistake. So if you're a serious AMC aspirant, so what I would suggest is the mock test. When you write the mock test, so the first 30 minutes give for the first 15 questions. 15 questions. So you have more 45 minutes. In that 45 minutes, so spare 15 minutes of your time for checking, the last 15 minutes for checking, and then the middle 30 minutes you give it for the last 10 questions. So this is one of the scheme what I got from an USAMO qualifier and even an IMO qualifier. I've learned strategies from all of them. And so when you're writing mock test, in the first few mock tests I was getting 114, 120. Then afterwards I started getting a good score like 130. I was always between 130 and 140, but I don't know, something happened and I ended up getting 96. Maybe because of the stress, the environment and stuff, it won't set you. So in a mock test you have a comfortable environment, as I told you before. So this is what I would suggest. So if you're starting from July, so I would probably suggest you spend at least 1.5 hours per day on this. And if you're in this plan, I'm going to tell you how to start. I'm going to make your plan at the end, don't worry, not now, at the end. So starting from March to November, March. So I think I'm not sure that 9 months. I don't know. So okay, now let's look at the books. So few of the books what I show you are a bit advanced books. So oh sorry. So these books are called XYZ publication books. Go to these XYZ publication books. These books are really amazing. These are the best books I have ever seen. And my teacher, my mentor, like everyone uh, suggests these books for me. So these books are a bit advanced. So I mean, sorry, I don't prefer these books first. So let me show you a beginner books. Like, so if you're just starting with AMC, then you should probably start with AOPS, Art of Problem Solving. There are two books, Volume 1 and Volume 2. So I would want you to finish these two books, which are really these are really good books. So if you solve these two books, you have pretty much theory for AIME too. So you're good enough at AIME, and what you just need is problem solving. So I would prefer you first go to these two books and solve these two. And after these two books, many people they suggest like Evantion and some other books for geometry, others. I don't prefer all of them, but these books are really amazing. So the book starts from 105 problems in algebra and goes till 120 problems in algebra. So so see, 105 problems in algebra are like in this book you have some theory, some example problems, and at the end you have one or two introductory questions and one or three other questions, the tougher questions. So these 105 questions would be helpful for you to get to USMO paper also. So it starts from AIME level paper to AIME easy questions to USMO level. So I would prefer you to start your USMO preparation just after, even though example you have finished the theory and you have solved both the books, the Art of Problem Solving 1 and 2, then you can jump to these two books. So so I would prefer don't go for multiple books, just go for 105 problems in algebra and 106 problems in geometry. And it's not an anxiety publication book, but 104 problems in number theory. I think it is MAA organization. I don't know what organization is this. You can go for this book, which is the which is written by Tito Andrescu. All the books were written by Tito Andrescu, and this book is also really good for number theory. Don't go for any other books rather than these. So you're gonna burden yourself. So now let us come to the courses. So we have looked at the books. So I'm gonna write all the books. So now XYZ publication books, XYZ publication books, 104. This is not XYZ, not XYZ, not. And 105, 106 in geometry, algebra, and then NT, number theory. So now let's look at the courses. So if you're starting for AMC, I don't prefer you open the books and start solving. And many people say AOPS courses are the best courses you can find, but according to me, AOPS courses are not of a video lecture. It is more like a teacher typing and you're gonna answer. So that's a bit of bad communication over there. Even though AOPS has been very successful, I don't prefer AOPS. I in fact prefer the Alpha Star Academy. I have taken courses in AOPS and Alpha Star Academy after my AMC, so I got to know how both the institutes are. So so in Alpha Star Academy, so in Alpha Star Academy you'll find two types of courses. One is a live course and one is the self-study course. So the live course is expensive, $450, and the self-study course is $225, which is better affordable. If you're able to afford the $450 course, it is totally your wish. But I prefer the self-study course because you can go through it multiple times and stuff. So I'm gonna show you the courses here. So AMC 1012 and filters. My internet's a bit slow. Yeah. So AMC basic. So I would I have taken the AIME courses, but I know how the AMC courses are going to be like. The AMC basic course and advanced course kind of very similar. It's like very similar, but the problems are a little difficult. That's it. So I don't prefer you to go to the advanced course because both are literally the same. So take the AMC 1012 basic algebra, basic counting, basic geometry, and basic number theory. This is enough for AMC. And if you're wondering, oh man, I want to take the advanced course. No, both are literally the same. I have taken the AIME basic and the advanced course, and both are literally almost the same. So you go for the basic courses. So these are some good courses, what I'm gonna say. And after you finish these, you can go to the AIME courses. The AIME courses are really nice, a bit interesting, much better than AMC courses. Then, if you're thinking, I've qualified AMC, now it's time to take advanced AIME courses, you're wrong. You got to take the basic, because the basic and advanced are very similar. Everything is almost very same, except few problems, like 2 3 problems difference in a worksheet. So take AIME basic algebra, basic counting, basic geometry, and basic number theory, and you will be done. So these are one of the best courses. Actually, I have taken few courses in Alpha Star Academy, so I can just give you a small look about how it is. Ah, you wanted to see my password, huh? It's already typed in. So I have taken few courses, the AIME basic algebra, basic counting, basic geometry, basic number theory, the USAJMO geometry. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, what? So actually, I'm not supposed to show you, because I would, they would probably take out. I mean, they will keep me in jail, not like a jail, but it's not legal to show you inside. But it's kind of, so I'm not going to open any worksheet or lectures. So there are literally like 12 lectures. So in chapter one, so you're going to have video, you're going to have a handout and few examples, quizzes. So these courses are really nice compared to the AOPS courses, according to me, because I've taken AOPS and Alpha Star Academy. So I prefer the Alpha Star Academy a bit more. So if you're taking any courses, I prefer Alpha Star Academy courses, Alpha Star Academy, Alpha Star. So you try to finish AMC courses first, and then you can just hop into AIME now, even though you qualify it or not. I mean, try to finish this in 2 months, and the next 2 months you do AIME. It gives you a strong hold of the last 5 AMC problems, which are like the AIME problems. So okay, so we have looked at the courses. Okay, now there are some other contests. So AMC 10 example, if you're like reading for AMC 10 or 12, so we're going to start from paper 2000 till 2021 fall. So after this, you would probably might not know what to do. So for these people, there you can take some other contests, like the Indian mathematical contests, like the pre-regional mathematics Olympiad, regional mathematics Olympiad. It's an Indian contest, very similar, a bit. I mean, it's a bit difficult than AMC. And then the Harvard MIT tournament, the Berkeley Math tournament, and you can find so many tournaments here. So if you go to AOPS, you can find. Oh, my bad. So once you go to the AOPS, you can go to community, or resources. In resources, you can find the uh, where AMC problems. So because I'm already there in the AMC problems, I'm not able to find any AMC problems, but you're gonna find AMC problems here, and you can go to, sorry, my bad. You need to go to AOPS wiki. Uh, yeah, you need to go to AOPS wiki, and then AMC problems, and you're gonna find all the problems here of AMC, AIME, USAMO, USAJMO, everything. So now if you want to try for more, if you have finished everything, you want more problems, then you can go to community contest, and they're like thousands of contests here. So you can like solve like whatever it is here. Like, oh my god, in each section there are like so many contests. So you can take from here. So the problem, so AOPs is more than enough for problem solving. So so everything is done. So now once you have finished everything, what you do is give mock papers of AMC. So make sure that you do not solve the last 5 AMC papers, last 5 years of AMC papers. So you must save it for the last 20 days so that you can see where you stand. So in the last 20 days you can attempt like alternate day one paper. So five AMC papers in the sense 10 papers, because 10A and 10B. So if you do everything what I've told you here, it is like you're done. You're basically able to get 140 and 140 in AMC. So I haven't, because I, as an Indian student, I'm reading in India. So I started my preparation a bit late, and I did not know AMC at all till October. I got to know in October. I got to know at October 25th, I guess. I knew what AMC was, and according to my Indian math, I finished the syllabus by October 20th. So with the next 15 days, I was just solving the papers. So it is like indirectly like a very less time preparation, and with my preparation, I was able to get 96, which is exactly the cutoff. So I think what I have done is exactly enough. And if you do the thing what I have told you, so you are easily getting 140 in AMC, and you can clear USAMO easily by getting an average score in AIME. So that's all, guys. I don't think you need anything more than this. So I really appreciate it if you like this video, and if you have made it till here. And I want you to comment down what more videos do you want, or any other strategies. So thank you. That's it for the video. See you in the next one. Bye.